In our today's class, we will be studying about what is physics, technology, and society, and also the list of physicists and their contributions towards science. Now, if I consider physics, in our previous lecture, we have learned about the definition of what is physics, the categories, classifications, which comes under physics. So, a small recap about what is physics. It is a branch of science which deals with nature and natural phenomena. So, we have so many physicists. So, these physicists, what they do, they have given many theories through the discoveries, inventions, measurements, trial and error method, and mathematically proven many of the formulas, right? So if I consider the technologies now, what exactly is technology and what technologists do? So it is something that we are using the theories given by the physicists and putting those theories into practical work. So that is called as something called technology. And what our technology is doing? Technologies use the information. What are the informations? As I told you, the theories given by the physicists use the information for designing the various appliances and other instruments which help make our material way of life so different from that of our ancestors. Yes, in our day-to-day life we use many of the appliances like refrigerators, laptops, mobile phones. So compared to that of our ancestors, they didn't have any of these kind of technologies in their days. Now, I have listed some of the following advancements in technologies based on physics, the different concepts, and regarding those different concepts, how the advancements of technologies have been developed. Now, if I consider the first one, it is heat and thermodynamics. So, as I had told you in the previous video about heat and thermodynamics, where it deals with the heat, temperature, yes, and also the entropy and enthalpy too. And if I consider the heat and thermodynamics, the concepts of one of the concepts in the physics, the category, the classification of physics, I can say using this concept. Yes, there are many a number of advancements in technology. So as I have listed, you can see it is a heat engines. So engines, they are developing certain engines like heat engines, diesel engines, petrol engines, steam engine. And this is one of the best advancements in technology. And if I consider another one, another technologies regarding the concepts of heat and thermodynamics, it would be refrigerators and air conditioner. So this technology, you can see that this instrument, this appliances, you can see that it deals with heat and temperature. So it cools down. So these two appliances, what do they do? It cools down the temperature of certain things. So if I consider fruits, vegetables, is obviously it is a refrigerator, and cooling the environment, it is air conditioner. So this is all about heat and thermodynamics. Now going to the second one, it is a propagation of electromagnetic waves, which in the previous lecture I have told you about the electrodynamics, right? So, using that concept, what are the things, the advancements of technology you can find is radio, televisions. So, in this image, you can see that you can see the laptop and vacuum cleaner, TV, television, and microwave oven, hair dryer, right? So these are all the best advancements in technology regarding the concepts of electrodynamics, that is also the propagation of electromagnetic waves. Now, the third one would be the study of nuclear fission. that is your nuclear physics, which deals with nuclears. So if I consider the study of nuclear fission, it helps in the production of electricity, how electricities are produced using nuclear fission. So due to the excess of energies liberated during nuclear fission, that is one of the cause for the production of electricity. And if I consider the atom bombs, yes, it is one of the advancements of technologies itself, but it is harmful for the society. So this is all about the physics and technology, and you can see there are many of the advancements of physics that are designing of electric motors, dynamo, radar installations, spacecrafts, and you can see computers which we use in our day-to-day life, and also mobile phones, and so on. So these are all about physics, technology, and thus regarding to our society, how is it useful and also harmful. So hope you have understood what is it. And next, going to the list of businesses and their contributions. So you can see here, I have listed few of the physicists here, and their contributions. So the first one would be Archimedes. He has given the principle of buoyancy, and Galileo Galilei law of inertia, which you will be studying in your first PUC. And Isaac Newton, yes, he has given the universal law of gravitation. So how planets move, how they revolve around the sun, how is their motion, and he has given three laws within it. And also he has given laws of motion, so reflecting telescopes, so which are very much useful in our day-to-day life. And Michael Faraday, going to Michael Faraday, his contribution would be law of electromagnetic waves. So because of this law, because of the electromagnetic radiations, you saw how much of advancements of technology we have seen. That is, every day in our day-to-day life we are using things which we cannot live without, right? So if I consider our mobile phones, yes, it is so important for us. And this is what Michael Faraday has given us, the law of electromagnetic waves. And James Clerk Maxwell, he has given electromagnetic theory, he has given the theory. And light is an electromagnetic wave, he has told, light, which is very much essential for us, and he has given the theory regarding it. And what is it, how much is it useful, etc. Next, going to Albert Einstein, it is, he explains the photoelectric effects, theory of relativity, which is very famous worldwide. And C.V. Raman, the Indian physicist, we cannot forget him, right? So he has given a thing that is inelastic scattering of light by molecules. He has given the concept of inelastic scattering of light of molecules. And going to James Chadwick, he has uh, discovered the neutrons for us. And going to Rutherford, Ernest Rutherford, he has given the nuclear model of atoms. So this is all about for today, and hope you have understood the concept very well. And if you have liked the video, I would ask you to like the video, share, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and it would encourage me to do more and more videos like this. Thank you.